As September approaches, excitement builds for the release of the iPhone 16 and the GoPro Hero 13 Black. A recent leak has given us an early look at what GoPro's latest action camera might offer. While the changes might seem subtle, they could bring significant enhancements for adventurers and content creators alike. Curious about what's new in the GoPro Hero 13 Black? Keep reading to find out how these updates could elevate your experience. A recent thread by the well-known leaker Quadro News on X has just given us a sneak peek at the GoPro Hero 13 Black, complete with leaked photos and details on some exciting new features. Today he shared detailed photos and descriptions of the device's key features as they might appear in stores. So what's new? GoPro seems to have introduced a few subtle yet impactful design tweaks with the Hero 13 Black. One of the most eye-catching changes is the addition of a grille on the front, which likely enhances cooling or boosts audio performance. The camera's body appears slightly taller, and there's a compelling reason for that. Rumor has it that GoPro has equipped this model with a larger battery. The Hero 13 Black is expected to sport a 1,900 mAh battery, a step up from the 1,720 mAh found in the previous model. This bump in battery capacity is set to deliver impressive recording times. According to the leaks, the Hero 13 Black could allow you to capture over 3 hours of 1080p video at 30 frames per second, or record 4K and even 5.3K footage for up to 90 minutes at 30 frames per second. These enhancements could be game changers for those who demand the most from their action cameras. In addition to the design tweaks and battery upgrade, the GoPro Hero 13 Black appears to be set for a significant boost in versatility with the introduction of new lens mod accessories. According to the leaks, one of the standout mods is a macro lens, ideal for capturing detailed close-ups with stunning clarity. Another addition is an ultra-wide lens, though the exact differences between this and the existing Max lens mod, known for its impressive 177-degree field of view and excellent stabilization, remain to be seen. However, the most intriguing reveal is the inclusion of an anamorphic lens option. Anamorphic lenses are highly valued in filmmaking for their ability to capture footage with wide, cinematic aspect ratios, like 2.40 by 1, while adding unique effects such as lens flares and halos. While third-party anamorphic lenses have been available for GoPros in the past, a native version from GoPro would be a game changer, particularly if it integrates with another leak feature called Lens Mod Auto Detection. This feature hints that the Hero 13 Black could automatically adjust its settings or aspect ratio based on the lens mod you attach, simplifying the process of capturing professional-grade footage. Despite all these exciting new features, it seems the Hero 13 Black won't receive a sensor upgrade. However, the leaked packaging suggests other potential enhancements, such as the ability to shoot in HLG HDR, which could make your footage look more vibrant and lifelike on HDR displays. Additionally, there's mention of enhanced audio, which could mean improved onboard sound quality or perhaps new options for connecting external microphones to capture higher quality audio. These upgrades indicate that the Hero 13 Black is shaping up to be a versatile and powerful tool for both enthusiasts and professionals. All things considered, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is shaping up to be a compelling upgrade, especially for users eager to expand their creative toolkit with new lens mods and enhanced video features. Adding to the excitement, a separate leaked image has confirmed rumors of a more affordable counterpart to the Hero 13 Black, simply named the GoPro Hero. While details on pricing and release dates for both models remain under wraps, it's worth noting that the Hero 12 Black was launched on September 13th last year. There were earlier hints of a DJI-style magnetic mounting system for the Hero 13 Black. However, these latest leaks suggest that much of the camera remains similar to its predecessor. For example, it looks like the Hero 13 Black will continue to feature Hypersmooth 6.0 image stabilization, a feature that has earned widespread praise, along with the same video resolutions and frame rates as the Hero 12 Black. The leaked packaging also indicates 27MP photo capability, suggesting that the Hero 13 Black will likely retain the same sensor as its predecessor. This might be a letdown for those hoping for a sensor upgrade, such as a move to a larger 1-inch sensor, which would have offered improved low-light performance and greater detail. Despite the lack of a new sensor, the Hero 13 Black's upgraded battery and innovative lens mods could still make it an attractive option for GoPro fans looking to elevate their creativity. Meanwhile, the more affordable GoPro Hero model seems promising for budget-conscious buyers who want a reliable action cam without the premium price tag. While some of the latest action cameras, like the Insta360 Ace Pro, have introduced cutting-edge features like 8K video, GoPro's Hero series remains a favorite due to its user-friendly design and extensive range of accessories. We're excited to see how the Hero 13 Black measures up against the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro when both are released. And who knows, maybe we'll finally get some news on the long-anticipated GoPro Max 2. That wraps up our in-depth look at the upcoming GoPro Hero 13 Black and its new budget-friendly counterpart, the GoPro Hero. With exciting updates like a bigger battery, innovative lens mods, and potential auto detection features, there's plenty to anticipate. What are your thoughts on the new features? Are you excited about the GoPro Hero 13 Black? Or does the new GoPro Hero model catch your eye more? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more updates, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.